Marco, and I'm a first year student of Jean School in Amsterdam.
My name is River. I'm a first year student at the Jean School in Amsterdam.
Namaste, I am Partvi Nagarsheth, an international student from India.
My name is Jens Paalman and I'm a teacher at the Jean School in Amsterdam.
Hi, my name is Billy and I'm a second year student of the Jean School in Amsterdam.
Hello Kingpins, my name is Josine. I'm a student of the international course at Jean School.
I think denim production in the future will be on a much smaller scale with even more sustainable and innovative fabrics.
I think designing in the future would now be a process instead of just designing fast fashion. I think fast fashion is completely gonna go away, and as designers, we would really try to understand the global changes of the world and also consumer shifts. I think functionality is going to play a key role in designing of denim.
I think buying and selling denim in the future will be subject to a hefty virgin cotton, virgin polyester tax. To help repair the damage, our past and current use of these materials has cost the world. This will also overnight kill fast fashion.
My next jeans that I will buy or I hope to get is something like a flare, like the latest Celine one. Celine has it's like a light stone washed kind of thing, but it's crazy. I saw some people wearing it with like a real good booth.
I think denim production in the future will be much more sustainable. It should be, and hopefully it's not just a trend, but it will remain that way. And I think what's going to be really important in producing denim is that it has to be produced more locally.
I think denim designing in the future will be more tailor-made, so you can select your waist, your fit, your washing, and your length on your denim product.
I think buying and selling denim will be more sustainability based rather than trend based. But sustainability won't be the new trend, it will be embedded in the supply chain.
And I want my next jeans to be self-made again, because we cannot use our machines at this moment at school, and I'm really missing it to be making something of denim. So I'm looking forward to make my own stuff again.
I think denim design in the future will be exactly the same as it is now and has been for 170 years. Making a combination of old traditions and the newest innovations. In the past that might have been adding a rivet at a certain point or using 3D printed or bioengineered materials. I think it will change from designers guesstimating what consumers might want in the future to co-development with consumers of new products using modern digital means. Consumers will start to use brands as their suppliers to help them create what they want.
I think denim production in the future would be looked at the whole life cycle of the product, and sustainability would not just be talks, but they would also be applied into denim production and businesses as more and more consumers get aware of their lifestyle choices. So they would really want to look at what's worth in their product.
I want my next pair of jeans in dark blue denim, extra long, and added some special details.
I think denim design in the future will be like going back to the basics. Not real basics, but like back in time, like you always see with fashion. So styles like the skinny and the stretchy jeans, like those will be gone. I hope so. Except the skinnies and like the Western type of image or fit with like a good boot. Those will not like the real like the biker guys. So they wear the skinnies and the cowboys and everything. But like those will not fade away. But like the stretchy kind of stuff, I hope it will be gone. Then you go back to like, I hope so, like a 70s or 80s, like a more wide or flare type of thing.
I think buying and selling of denim in the future is completely going to be digital, as like I said, as consumer shifts and changes. And we've already seen digital showrooms being implemented by global giants like Tommy Hilfiger, Adidas, Hugo Boss. They're already doing their bit to offer virtual garments online. Also, the good part about it is that it's cost efficient and reduces the sample collection making as well as smaller environmental footprint.
I think denim production in the future will be on a smaller scale and more close by, so we don't drag a lot of stuff halfway across the world, and more demand driven. It might even become production on demand. And if production becomes open source and crowd funded, anyone with a good idea can make use of all the possibilities out there and get support.
I want my next jeans to be loom staged, salvaged dry denim with high fading potential and a recycled cotton blend.
I think the buying and selling of denim in the future will be a big thing, and like into the stores. Denim needs to be more. It's like a. It needs to be seen like a purchase you make for like a longer time, like buying a computer or a car or something, because a good pair of jeans can last a year, 2 years. I don't know how long ever you want, as long as you treat it well.
I think the denim industry will be more produced in Europe, and less CO2 and fewer chemicals. And I think this will happen in the coming years.
I think denim design in the future is going to be really important because they're going to lead the rest of the fashion industry into a more sustainable time for fashion. I think denim is a product that can really be an example. It's been really a very polluting product, but it's also one that can be really sustainable. It's garments that will last for a long time, that people can love.
I want my next jeans to be made out of loom state rigid selvage dry denim in a loose fit with intelligent design and construction details, reaching 0% fabric waste and no money spent on marketing.
I think denim design in the future will be more about designing functional, sustainable, long-lasting, high-quality products that a consumer wants to care for till the end.
I think buying and selling denim in the future is going to be more vintage focused. I think selling secondhand clothing is going to be really important to create a more sustainable fashion industry and fashion world.
I want my next pair of jeans to be preferably be made out of my old jeans because I really want to close the loop in denim, and I really believe that it's important to use post-consumer textile waste in your fabric, and I also don't want my denim to be thrown away once it's unfit for me to rewear.
I think denim production in the future will be better than ever, like cleaner than ever. Employees will be, like the employees in the factories will be treated way better and work in better conditions. So the product will get better.
I think buying and selling denim in the future will be more online or with personal shopping.
And I want to tell the denim industry to focus more on what the customer needs rather than what the customer wants.
And lastly, what I want to tell my denim industry is that fashion is a process and not a product, and thinking about reducing and recycling and using sustainable practices before sample making is really important. And I also want to say that implementing a blockchain-based system needs to be really thought of in the future, because I think I think that's an incredible idea for our future of denim.
I want to tell the denim industry to let go of financial and volume growth as success indicators. Don't push crap onto the market nobody should want.
I want the denim industry to please keep going. People love the products. I know like a lot of everybody especially over here in Amsterdam in the Netherlands, denim is such a big thing. Everybody wears it, so please keep going and never stop what you're doing. That's the reason why I want to be in the denim industry.